To change a ratio to a proper fraction reduced to its lowest terms, we must do the following. First, we're going to write the first number of the ratio as the numerator of the fraction. Next, we're going to write the second number of the ratio as the denominator of the fraction. And then we're going to reduce it to lowest terms if it isn't already. So we have the ratio 4:64. 4 is a 64. So the first number is a 4, so that's going to become our fraction's numerator. So 4. And then the second number, the 64, has become the denominator of our fraction, the bottom. So there's our fraction, and now we're going to reduce it down as best we can, if possible. In this case, it is. Everything is divisible by 4. So 4 goes into 4 once, and 4 goes into 64 16. So the ratio 4 to 64 can be written as 1/16 as a fraction. Next, we have the ratio 3:18. So we're going to write this as a fraction. So that's going to be 3 as our numerator and 18 as our denominator. And we're going to reduce this down as best we can if possible. So everything in this fraction is divisible by 3. So 3 can go into itself once, and 3 can go into 18 6 times. So the proper fraction for this one is 1/6. Last, we have the ratio 8/12 colon 2/3. So we have two fractions, so we're going to end up with a fraction divided by a fraction before we can get the simplifying part, but it's not too bad. Again, 8/12 is the first number, so that's going to be our numerator, 8/12. And that's going to be divided by the denominator, which is 2/3, our second number. So here we go, and we're going to try and simplify it down, but since we have a fraction divided by a fraction, we are going to keep the first, change it to multiplication, and flip the second. So keep, change, flip. So this is to become 8/12, change it to multiplication, and then we're going to flip 2/3 to 3/2. And now we're just going to simplify as best we can. 3 can go into itself once, and 3 can go into 12 4 times. 2 can go into itself once, and into 8 4 times. So kind of clean this up. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 1 is 4. And then 4/4 can reduce down to 1. So in this case, this ratio here will actually simplify to the whole number 1. It happens, and if it does, still makes life easy. This is still an acceptable answer for this question.